Oh, y'all know how to make a smoked chicken? We can make that. This smoked chicken was so flavorful and juicy. Oh my goodness. I gotta show you how to make it. It was simple, it was easy, and it was finger looking good. First, you're gonna get your whole chicken, right? Take all the gizzards and all that nasty stuff out the middle. I got the organic one, so that's why it came in the plastic. But if you don't get the organic one, I don't think it's gonna come in the plastic. My chicken look kind of brolic, you know what I mean? But I did hit it with some zesty Italian seasoning. Actually, no, I didn't have zesty Italian, so I hit it with the deli seasoning, but it was the same thing. Then I hit it with some salt, some pepper. I made sure I got under the skin, inside, out, everywhere. Chicken bouillon, some onion powder, some garlic powder. Make sure you get some smoked paprika in there. Make sure you mix everything really, really well. You know what I'm saying? You want to make sure it look a little something like this right here. Ooh wee. We're going to let this marinate for about 5 to 6 hours. Overnight is best. We're going to pour some more of that deli dressing in that same bowl we season our chicken with. Now it's time to take this bird to DR, Dr. Miami style. Now you want to give that bird a BBL, get it nice and thick like you, and ooh wee. And a little trick to keep the skin crispy, you just want to hit it with a little bit of baking powder on top. Make sure your smoker is up. We're going to have it up on 350, but when we put it in, we're going to drop it down to 300 for about an hour and a half. And we're going to make sure that we spritz our chicken with some apple cider vinegar every 30 minutes after the first hour. I got my probes in there. Now it's time to go. After the first hour, your chicken should be looking nice and brown, and you just want to spray that thing with that apple cider vinegar mix and keep doing it every 30 minutes till that thing hit 165. But y'all see how it's looking right now. It's looking real good, real juicy. As soon as it hit that 165 temp, I took it off. I put it on the drying rack, and I brought it inside. But look at this right here. Y'all see how juicy and how flavorful and how crispy the skin look? Yes, that's it. I love smoking chicken, man. It's so good. The flavors is unmatched. I just broke this chicken down in the middle, and that's it right there. Look how juicy the inside was. Ooh wee. Yes. Now y'all know how to make smoked chicken. Go get your smokers ready. Go to the supermarket. Go get that chicken. I'm going to see you in the kitchen. Don't tell me I ain't told you so. I'm out.